Here we can see we got the login credentials of victim's account. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how hackers actually hack social media accounts and how to stay safe from this. This video is just for educational purposes only, so don't misuse this. So let's start today's interesting video. Firstly, we need some tools like VirtualBox and Kali Linux. So simply go to browser and download VirtualBox and then download Kali Linux from this website. After extraction of Kali file, you will get this red file. Simply double-click on that and your machine will be set up automatically. So now let's move on to tool installation. Firstly, go to Fisher repository and copy the repo link. Then came on terminal and clone the repo throw gift. After cloning, go to tool directory and give executable permission to all files. Then run main file throw python 3 and this will take few minutes to install some dependencies of tool. After running, you will able to see this page. Here you can see hacker can use any phishing page to hack your account. For demonstration, I select one for Facebook. Then give some answers of questions. Then it will generate link. Simply copy that link and send to victim. As soon victim click on that link and log in on fake Facebook page, then we will get their ID and password. So be aware from suspicious link. That's all for today's video. I will meet you in next video and follow for such amazing content.